Deco Wonder is the latest kit from Hunkydory, and you can tell by the title it's going to have some really unique cards that you can make. This is the idea booklet or instruction sheet that's included, and it's just going to give you lots of ideas. Let me show you the die cuts. Now there are 108 foil die cuts, and as you can see, they are just stunning. Now you're going to get 2 of each one that I'm going to show you, so let me bring them in. And what I love, one of the things I love, is that these many of these are nested. So right here you have 3 frames. One outside one that has some design on it, a solid foiled one, and then the artwork. Always greetings accompany these. Happy birthday. Everyone needs a sister like you. Best friends will fill your life with never-ending love. Just some really, really wonderful phrases. Now we have this, and just gorgeous. As I said, 108 foil die cuts. As you know, they just pop right out effortlessly. Isn't that interesting? That's going to make a fun card. Then in addition, you're going to get 8 foiled adorable scoreable. This is the heavyweight cardstock. So you're going to get 2 of that. Here's 2 of this foiled. And more foiling on that. And foiling on this. Then you're going to get 8 of them that are printed. So just like that. And that. Again, the same adorable scoreable. Now, you might want to use this to make a card. We really like cutting it apart because this could go on the inside of your card. You've got this for the front of the card. You can get many things out of one sheet. And here is our last printed. So this Deco Wonder is just a really distinctive card kit. And the folks at Hunkydory tell us you can make at least 16 cards with this set, but I'm not done because they've also done some cutting dies that give you the same look as the Deco, the Art Deco look. So this is Deco Delights cutting die, and it measures 4 inches by 5 3/4. So it's a beautiful size. You can really see the artwork right there. Just absolutely gorgeous. Remember, you can also cut these apart to get many other ideas. In addition, there is Deco Dreams. Now this is going to allow you to create a really unique card that kind of explodes. You'll see the projects on the product page. So this is just gorgeous, and it has words like happy birthday, best wishes, just for you. It's absolutely stunning, and there are all of the pieces of this. There are a total of 14 metal dies in this collection. So whether you want to do your cards using the die cuts or you love the look and want to really have these cutting dies in your collection, Hunkydory makes it easy to get the beautiful Art Deco look.